Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. And guess what? Bulking season is over, my chubby friends. It's time to get lean. And what better way to do that than prep up some meals for the week instead of eating that garbage you're eating with your buddy Steve at the local Chili's. So, I'm gonna show you chicken fajitas on a bed of rice. Enjoy. All right, before we get started, meal prep does not have to be a chore. This is gonna be a hell of a lot easier. It's gonna take us about 30 minutes. It's gonna make you 4 meals. That could be 4 lunches for the week. It's gonna be under 500 calories and pretty good amount of protein, around 40 grams. So let's get to it. All right, first things first, preheat the oven. 400 degrees, and we're on. While that thing's heating up, we got some veggies to cut, which is a daunting task. We'll prepare properly. Now our bell peppers. Tri-blend. We're going multicolored right here. So I'm gonna make this simple for you guys. Yeah, heads off. Fuck butt's gone. We're gonna cut half. I'll crack this thing open. La. And now I scissor. Oh, knuckles. All right, that's still scaring me. I'm gonna stay away. Oh, how fresh strips. Onto a red guy, same thing. Heads off. Yeah. Ninja slice. Peel on open. Damn. Yeah, make sure you cut into your hand. Now there's a lot of ways to cut these bell peppers. This one's obviously the best. Strips. Seeds. Strips. And a green guy. Heads off. Shaw. Butt off. I'm gonna do it a little bit different this time. Hey, like that. Ooh. All right, that was kind of dumb. Like I said, a ton of ways to do this. I'll experiment with all of them. Oh, the beautiful colors. Now the tricky one, my old friend. We're gonna try and make some strips. So I'm gonna cut it in half. So now I'm gonna ninja chop ends off. Now I can take off its disgusting shell. My good friend Brandon showed us how to do it properly in the last episode. And you can watch that one because I'm not gonna do that here today because we're going long strips. Yep. We're just gonna use all these beautiful guys, all these beautiful guys. All right, so we got our vegetables cut. I'm gonna throw them in a baggie for the seasoning. You can do this in a bowl. I like the baggie shake. So we're gonna throw all these in there. Mix up all our beautiful colors. All right, so we're gonna pour a little oil on these babies. Nice little bath. And we're going some pepper. We'll add some salt. And last ingredient, Grill Master's Garden Vegetable Seasoning. Yeah. That should be good. I like my veggies all seasoned up. Real nice like. So now we zip. Get them nice and covered up. Damn. All right, so we got a little spray on our cooking sheet. We're gonna dump these veggies right on. Yeah. I wanna give them some space for our chicken. We've got 2 pounds of chicken breast. All right, so we got a chicken. We're gonna trim this little excess nastiness. I don't know who's eating that. Not me. Not today. All right. That guy wasn't so gross. Let's check out his friends. Ugh. Get out of there. Our last dude. Gross, what are you? Just a little Just a little excess fat, just trimming the fat. Yeah. Chicken's ready to throw down and season. All right, so for chicken, we're going salt and pepper. Then we've got some crushed red pepper, because I want these to be spicy. I don't like no bland ass chicken. Some cayenne. Ooh. You put as much cayenne as you want, depending on how fiery you want your chickens. I've got some garlic powder. Where's the pour tops for these? Tell our assistant to get some pour tops. Sprinkle tops? I don't know what they are. And last, we got some paprika. Then you season your chickens however you want. I like mine fiery hot, so that's how they're gonna be dressed. All right, now I got to flip mode. And repeat. More pepper, back with the salt, crushed red pepper, weird palm amount of cayenne, garlic powder. I'm gonna flip these things back over. And one last thing. Can't be leaving out our lemon, because we want a zesty squeeze on all our goodness. Yeah. You could do without it, and your meal could suck. All right, so now we gotta take this into the oven, but first, boom, it's tequila time. And back to the oven. So we're already preheated to 400, and we're gonna set these guys in here for about 25 minutes. Time, 25. Sha. All right, while we wait on the chicken and veggies, we're gonna cook up some brown rice. Uncle Beans. We want a full cup. That'll work. And we're gonna add 2 cups of water. We're gonna bring this to a boil. We'll reduce it to medium, throw the top on, and then we'll just wait. All right, so now that we're boiling, we're gonna turn this thing down, a little medium heat. I said medium. And we're gonna throw the top on. All right, our rice is done. We got a couple more minutes on the chicken, but we're gonna go ahead and, yeah, it's perfect. We're gonna go ahead and throw these into our containers. So we're going about a cup per container here. Come on. Every last grain. Oh, what's that? It's ready. Oh yeah, God, it smells good. All right. And now we're gonna be smart about it. We're gonna let it cool. And we're in our containers. One last thing, that brown rice can get pretty boring. I know the fieriness of the chicken can help, but I prefer to throw a little sriracha on it. Oh, make it pretty. Burn your face right off. Which is good. Now, if you want to make any adjustment to it, I would recommend throwing as many veggies on this as possible. You can never eat too many of them greens, my friends. And there you are, there's your chicken for the week. All right, fine, no more tequila. Stick with the chicken. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe, and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.